Hey everybody, it's Leek. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this flawless everyday makeup beat, keep watching. So I already did my brows off camera. So if you want to see the brows, go ahead and check out my eyebrow tutorial that I already posted. But let's get into it. So I already primed my face with my LA Girl Pro Prep primer. I will link everything that I used in the description. I use these two under my eyes, so let me scoot up a little bit so y'all can see. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Medium Beige. I take this, put it here. And then I take this and I put that here. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer in the color Almond. And then mix those two together. I just blend it. And y'all, this is the Real Techniques brush. It's 30 something, y'all. The last number faded, but I will link that down below as well. Y'all see how full coverage this is? Put the same thing up here. And blend it in. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild stick, contour stick, and this is the number 805, Call Me Maple. So I take that and I go on the side of my nose. And then here. And then I get the side of my face to contour that part. And then, so I use this one. To kind of blend that in. Blend this out. Here. And then I take my MAC. This is NC47. Take this. My hand, instead of trying to pour that on my face like that. Then I put it up here at the top. I really just put it around my face. But yeah. Then to blend the foundation, I take my Real Techniques brush, the number 200. I take the same contour stick and I'll draw a line. Under my eyebrow. And I rub it in. Okay, so this is the NYX Espresso Lip Liner. I go in with my Stay Glossy Rimmel London. And after I put this on, I put on this L'Oreal it says plump. I think it says Infallible. Y'all been having this for so long, the writing is coming off. But it's the color 601. And then I just add some clear gloss on top of my other ones. And that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. And yeah, see y'all later.